Alright guys, I have here with me today a Dell Latitude 7480, but it is not new, it's refurbished. And for me that's the exciting thing, because I bought this for around $590 and it's spec'd out with a 256GB SSD. We got a Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, 1920 by 1080 screen, and business class notebook with a 3-year on-site warranty. So that means they try and diagnose it remotely, and then if you have any issues, they'll actually come to your house and fix it. That's 3 years. That's a bargain for $590. So you can see here the sticker indicates certified refurbished. So I got this on Dell. I ordered it on Sunday, got it on Wednesday, so that's like 2-3 days shipping. It came from Lebanon, Tennessee. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing so you get an idea of what a refurbished product from Dell is. I have not opened this yet. I have no idea what it's going to look like. In the past, I have ordered Dell refurbished products and they look just like new, so I'm kind of hoping it's the same. It's not scratch and dent. If you see scratch and dent, that indicates it's got scuffs and it probably shows that it's used. It just says certified refurbished, so I'm hoping when I open this up, it's going to look pretty much like new. So, I reach in here. It's a big box for a very small laptop. So, got the power cord here, a power brick. And on the other side, I pull it out, is the notebook itself, shrink wrapped. And if I dig even deeper, this is a huge box. It's a 14-inch laptop, and this box is probably for like, I don't know, at least a 15-inch machine. So the power adapter, and nope. This is okay. So here's the brick and here's the cord that plugs me into the wall, and you can see here it's shrink wrapped and it says Latitude 7480. So I'm gonna not use the scissors because I don't want to accidentally pierce through the plastic and start to scratch up the laptop, so I'll just use my fingers to rip it apart here. Man, this is really hard to tear apart laminate, but I got it. Okay, so let's see. It's got like the same foamy stuff you'd have on something that's new. I take this off. It's shiny on top, no scratches whatsoever. Might be hard for you to see, but take my word, it looks just like new. It's nice and light. You know, I'm using a ThinkPad T470 right now, and one of my beefs about that is it's just heavy. This thing is light, nice and light. So yeah, amazing. Looks great. So there's the keyboard and the screen. No scratches, nothing, looks just like new. Looking around the ports, I don't see any damage whatsoever. Certified refurbished from Dell. You're gonna get something that's in really good shape. So, the only thing that indicates that it's not new is this sticker on the bottom. It says refurbished. And there it is. So I'm gonna like play around with this and do a review from the perspective of buying a refurbished machine from Dell. Again, I bought this for $590, like $620 after tax. Shipped in a couple of days, 3-year warranty. The specs are great, 8GB of RAM, 256GB SSD, and that's an M.2. It's got a USB-C port and really everything I need. So I'm hoping this really works out for me. So I'll have a full review of this coming up in the next few days. Thanks a lot.